Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for joining us here at Banknote Trading, where we take a look at the US dollar pairs in the Forex market. Today, we'll start taking a look at Euro USD on the 4-hour chart, and we start mapping out the current overall range. This dates back to August, but the current 4-hour chart, you can see this is the buyer's market. This is on the more local 4-hour chart. Higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, but overall the swing structure was bullish. Consolidated for it looked like consolidation for a while. This looks like this may be the next higher low from this low, and as you can see, we're back in the premium, and these highs are starting to be taken out, getting past this area of support. So what we've been saying on this, this area of supply, which is what we've been saying, getting out of that area now. So more locally this week, we can see, of course, like I said, form this bull flag, made a higher low internally, continue to break structure to the upside, and continue to retrace and keep going. So anytime, since this overall swing structure was always bullish because of this strong higher low that shouldn't be broken, when this internal structure starts to become a buyer's market, any type of retracement, it's a good chance to get in and buy until the highs of the overall range is taken out. So as you can see, at the start of this week, good opportunity, but it's not any type of investment advice, but we can expect this to continue as long as the dollar DXY continues to weaken, but only looking for any type of retracements along the way, expecting it to possibly stall out in this area of supply that continue to push price down, but eventually taking out the highs of the overall range. GBP USD, similar story. Of course, this is more bearish, so this is the lower high from the previous structure. Lower high, lower low, and then buyer step back in here, took out this high internally. It's been bullish, just like with Euro. This is the overall range. Swing structure could be bullish since it did start taking out these highs from this low. Higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. Pick up any opportunity as it continues to retrace on its way back into targeting the lower high, and possibly get past this area of supply, which price is in now, but expecting a bullish push as long as dollar index is getting weaker. We do take a look at the dollar index. We continue to see a push lower, bearish momentum, got past this area of support, take out all the liquidity sitting under these lows, lower high, a lower low, another retracement, lower high, and continue to break structure with this news today. AUD USD, let's go map at the current range. As you can see internally, making higher highs, but AUD USD not making any type of retracement. It's a stronger bullish push, but you know this has been in a range for a while now. So at the top of this range, close to this area where sellers stepped back in and pushed prices back down last time. So waiting to see if this momentum can continue. Like I said, this bullish push hasn't really given any type of retracement. Let's see if this area of support is going to hold up. So right now it's in this range here, at the bottom being support. See buyer step back in, and it does look like it can, and take out the highs of this overall range, and take out the highs, previous highs. NZD USD, let's go map the current range. And this also is forming some bit of support, but we see that this previous high has been taken out. This was the bearish structure, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. Buyer step back in, broke structure to the upside, took out this supply areas, consolidation area, and continue to make higher highs, higher lows. And now it's also just like with AUD USD, it's gotten past this area of support, supply, and now we see it's forming in this range, with this being support, looking for buyers to step back up and push past the highs of this overall range. So any type of retracement on its way back up, possibly a good opportunity to buy. So that's all I have for you today. Thank you for joining us.